Under the relentless sun, Olivia strides across the open field, her determined gaze hinting at hidden darkness. An old iron key, its purpose veiled in mystery, gleams in her hand as she navigates the bright, idyllic landscape. She approaches an ancient stone structure, reclaimed by nature, its secrets waiting to be unraveled. In the cellar, Olivia's foam beam cuts through the cold, heavy air, revealing dancing dust motes. Each echoing footfall marks her descent on spiraling steps into the depths. Faded symbols and a mural depicting cloaked figures performing arcane rituals send shivers down her spine. Olivia kneels before an old wooden trunk in the dim cellar, its rusted lock broken, revealing tarnished metals and yellowed letters. The letters transport us to the past, narration says. She picks up a fragile letter, her fingers tracing the faded ink. They know. Get out, the final letter warns, as flashbacks of clandestine meetings and coded messages haunt Olivia.